Oh, g'day guys, better late than never. I've been waiting for a bit. Don't worry, I found something to do while I was waiting. I wanted to talk about this bench top here. This hinge here, while we're away, the pin actually ran out and was sticking out here, and it just sort of annoyed me a bit. So what I thought I'd do is show you how I fixed it. Someone else told me how to fix it, and I thought I'd show other people. They've all pretty much doing it. This one's doing the same, that's what I thought I'd show you now. You can see the pin here is ridden out as it's pulled out. So what we need to do to stop this from happening, just grab a pair of pliers, and you grab hold of it, and you take it out a bit further. Just like that. Then carefully, nice and carefully, you cut about 20 mil of it off. Got to be careful, you can't touch this, stainless. Right, so once you've got that taken off, what you've got to do is get yourself a little pin punch and knock it back in. Now what you want to knock back in, you want to knock back in about 10 mil too far in, so it's about 10 mil short and 10 mil short at each end. So that's why I'm using a pin punch. Just like that. That's the go. Now, you need help here. Lawson.
Oh, yeah.
Mate, what did I tell you about turning up empty-handed?
Oh, sorry.
Cheers, Blake. I need a hand here, mate. You can hold that for me. Out of the way. So what we're going to do now is crush the underside of that tube. So we hold a big heavy dolly weight underneath it, so I've got something heavy to hit against. And I just crush just the very end of that. Doesn't have to be much. That's enough. Now the other side, mate. That's it. Perfect. Thanks, mate. Good on you. Cheers. Now that will not come out again. It can't ride out. So that's a nice easy fix. See you down the track.